What's up, everybody? Welcome back for another video today. Drew, CNC, Motorsports, welcome back. Today's gonna be a pretty day. Pretty busy day. Not only is it a beautiful day outside and it's less windy now, so my eyes aren't watering too much, but today we have a lot to accomplish. It is Motorsports Wednesday, which is a car meet we throw every single Wednesday at our boys' pizza spot, so make sure you guys check our page, check out the flyer, and tell your friends and everybody come hang out after hours. Nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and conquer a few things today. We're gonna have my boys' RSX get lowered, Gio's little project car. We got the 350Z still up in the air, and we got my boys at Upscale Detailing and watching every single ride that we have possible. Right now I need to do some cleaner on the GTR's exhaust because it's really dry and it looks really ugly for an HKS, and I just can't have that. Nonetheless, welcome back to another video. If you guys like what you see and you guys like to support us, hit the like button, hit the share button, do a reaction. Thank you guys for tuning in for another video, and enjoy. Alright boys, so as a gift from us, we're gonna save Gio and lower that damn off-road vehicle he has driving around. And Chris is sponsoring it all out today. I'm just taking all the credit. Tell him, Chris.
We lower RSX today.
What did he say?
Merry Christmas to me. For my boys right here. Let's see how it goes.
Hey, it's a gift from the boys, alright? This is Chris. This is Gio's Christmas gift right now. We told him
don't have to have an off-road RSX.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
I like it off-road.
You gotta get rid of the wheel gaps. Gio said that he can't lower his car because he likes to bump and not worry about turning over.
Yeah, but I like to hit the bumps full speed, bro. Full speed. Full speed.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yeah, now I get it. Now I get it when they tell me that that should look too hot. That should look dumb shit.
Okay, here we go.
Alright boys, so right now we're setting up a challenge where Chris set the highest score of 931 and we're gonna try to beat it right now. Right on. Let's go! What'd you say? Oh, you got something to say about my